A good formulation is a mixture of stuff that does its job surprisingly well. So if you're going to be a formulator, you have to mix things together and get more out of it than you expected. So funnily enough, we in CPI and in the Formulation Centre have the job of mixing together SMEs and academics and industrialists and thought leaders and funders, such that what comes out of the end of the machine is better than anyone thought it was going to be. That's part of our job in enabling innovation, to formulate together this innovation ecosystem of which you are key members. So thank you for that. The other definition of a formulation or formulated products is the science of mixing things together to not do chemistry. Think about what I just said. To not do chemistry. Because typically a formulated product are a mixture of things, as Fiona says, that I don't want to do anything whilst you're in the tin. I want to mix you together, I want to put you in a tin, and I want you to stay there and nobody move. None of you ingredients move, please. And I'm going to heat you up, cool you down, I'm going to put you in the back of a truck, you're going to be shaking from side to side, and I still don't want any of you to move. And that's a surprisingly difficult challenge. So what it means is formulation is a simple word, developing products that surround all of us every day, as Nigel's already said, but you know what? It's some of the hardest science you will ever find. And that's why it's not been solved before, that's why help is needed, and that's why the Formulation Centre exists, to help transfer knowledge across the broad sector so that the constituent parts can learn from each other faster rather than having to invent from first principles again themselves.